Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a skin glowing oil, a skin brightening glowing oil. This oil will glow your skin, it will brighten your skin and also repair your skin. Stay tuned and watch. I have my sanitized containers that I'll be using. Then these are the oils that I will be using. I have beauty series oil, I have avocado oil, I have almond oil, I have coconut oil, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, frankincense, turmeric oil. I have honey, I have carrot oil, I have glycerin. Glycerin is optional. Then I have skin repair serum. This is it. So these are the oil that I will be using. So I'm going to go ahead to mix my oil. I'm going to add all the oils that I will be needing in here. Let me set aside this so you can see clearly what I'm about to do. So the first thing I'll be adding will be honey. Honey is optional. If you have aloe vera, you can use aloe vera in place of honey, or use shea butter. If you're using shea butter, you have to melt down the shea butter before you use and allow to cool before you mix with the other oils. So I'll put 1 tablespoon of honey. Then next I'll add coconut oil. I'll be needing 1 spoon of coconut oil. Then I'll add 1 spoon of skin repair oil. Then I'll add 2 spoons of my beauty series oil. 2 spoons of beauty series oil. So that's that. Then I'll add avocado oil. These are all for skin glow. Avocado oil is for skin glow. 1 spoon. This oil will make your skin glow, like it will shine. When you go out, people will see your skin and envy your skin. Your skin will glow. So this is almond oil, sweet almond oil. Now this is turmeric oil. I'm going to add 1 spoon of turmeric oil. Then I'm going to add, this is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil, very good, very good. So I add it to my skin glow oil. I'll add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. I'll also add frankincense. Frankincense is a miracle oil. It repairs the skin and it also glows the skin. So this is optional. This is glycerin for people that have dry skin. It's optional. I am not a fair person and I like to put glycerin just a little in whatever I'm making. This is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is also for skin glow. Jojoba oil for skin glow, 1 tablespoon. Then lastly I'll add my carrot oil. Carrot oil. So my oil is all set. Then I'll mix and mix. You need to mix very well because of the honey that you have in it. If you have aloe vera in it too, it's just like they serve the same purpose. You have to mix and mix and mix. To round it up, I'll add 1 tablespoon of perfect glow serum, which is the last, and I'll mix it very well until I have an even mixture. Repair serum consists of the rescue oil, the snail oil, argan oil. That's what I have in my skin repair serum, and neem oil. That's what I mix together to give me my skin repair serum. when you turn this into your container for use, you are likely to have settlement. So whenever you want to use, you have to shake it up very well before you use. So you can see I'm still mixing the oil. I need to mix it very well because of the honey in it. So you mix and keep mixing. So now the oil is even. I'm getting ready to turn it into my container. I mixed the oil until the oil is even. You can see the oil is even. So I'm going to turn it into my clean sanitized container. I sanitized this container with hot water and I sprayed alcohol in it and allow it to drain. So I'll carefully turn it into my sanitized container. I hope it doesn't spill off. This container is like 60 mils. So the oil I made is 60 mils. It's not full. So that is what we have here. Go ahead, make your skin glow oil and use it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, kindly thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media accounts at Oma Posh Makeover. See you in my next video. Bye.